Breaking news, guys. The government of Canada has finally announced that the parents and grandparents program for permanent residents of the year 2020 is going to open really soon, and that is in the month of October. So if you have been waiting to sponsor your loved ones, your parents and grandparents, then this is the video that you must be watching till the end. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and I'm here today in this video with all the updates and news on this particular topic. Be tuned. So guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and I practice here in Canada, and I am licensed to take on all Canadian immigration, refugees and citizenship related applications, cases that you want to file. If you do have any request or any information to share, or if you want to file for any application, do get in touch with us. My details are there in the description box below. Now guys, a quick request to make: if you are watching this video the first time, and if you are on this channel, if you are looking at our video for the first time, please do hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you are updated with all the Canadian immigration related latest news updates from time to time, and we will be sending a lot of information your way. So guys, now let's get back to the topic of the biggest announcement, a breaking news that just came today. Today is the October 5th and it's about 4 p.m. right now. So a couple of hours ago, the Honorable Marco Mendicino, who's the Minister of Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, he just announced details of opening of the 2020 Parents and Grandparents, that's a PGP program. So guys, this program was held back or maybe delayed in the whole year of 2020 until today. But today the minister announced that this program is opening again. So just a quick recap. Back in the years, this particular program had moved to a rush hour seating that was basically first come first serve, and this received a lot of negative feedback from the people because a lot of people were not able to file their applications in time. It was a rush hour seating format where first come people would file it, and a lot of people faced downtimes on the system, and they were not able to file for their applications. Back in the years, it used to be like a lottery, and now the latest update is that this again is going to be a lottery system, which is going to start for a 3-week period starting 12 p.m. on the October 13th, and it's going to run until 12 p.m. The November 3rd of 2020. So 3 weeks. All the interested sponsors who want to bring in their parents from any other country and grandparents from whatever country they're in, they can actually file for their sponsorship, submit an interest to sponsor form on this particular platform that is going to open on the October 13th, and this platform is going to then randomly select eligible sponsors and randomly give them an opportunity to invite their loved ones into the country as permanent residents. Now, a quick update that I can read from the announcement that was made is that the selected applicants will have about 60 days to submit their complete application. So, which is a good enough time for everybody who's been selected to submit that information to sponsor the loved ones. It also says that COVID-19, and IRCC totally understands that COVID-19 has financially impacted a lot of people, almost everybody across the globe. So what they are doing is that they have put in special measures and special request measures in place for financial related requirements with respect to the parents and grandparents, the fund requirements. So you can be rest assured that there are going to be special measures for you guys. Also, very recently, the minister also had announced that Canada aims to approve 49,000 family sponsorship related applications in the year 2020. So this particular opening of the PGP program is in line with that particular announcement. It says that in the year 2020, they aim to approve or at least select 10,000 applications. They aim to accept 10,000 applications in the year 2020. Otherwise, they have a budget of around 20,000 applications a year. So the next year, that's going to be 2021, is going to have 30,000 applications, which will be accepted for the parents and grandparents program. This whole program is going to be a lottery based selection where all of the people who are interested to sponsor, they can submit their applications, and then the Canadian government will randomly select people from that pool and then let them know that you've been invited to apply for your for the sponsorship of your parents. Guys, this is all that I had for you today in this particular program. Very soon there are going to be more updates and information that is going to come your way. I'm also going to make a video on how to sponsor your parents and grandparents, especially being aligned with this particular program. So be tuned to watch that video, and I'll also share a link. Once again, guys, if you want us to apply for your sponsorship, and then if you want to apply for if you want us to help you apply for this sponsorship, and if you want to invite your loved ones to Canada as permanent residents, do let us know. We are licensed to help you. We are authorized by ICCRC to help you do that. Guys, once again, my details are there in the description box. My name is Sahil, and it was lovely chatting with you. Do let us know if you need any help. All the best.